Hi, I'm from Learniv.com, and today I'm going to explain the past simple tense in English, one of the most used tense. Let's look at the explanation on the timeline. We use the past simple tense to describe actions that began and finished in the past. On the timeline, the beginning and end of an event were marked by a red X in the past. In the sentence, I lived in London for 3 years. Past simple tense is used because I lived there in the past and that period of living there has ended, and now I live elsewhere. Let's look at the structure of the past simple tense. The structure of the past simple tense is formed by the subject, followed by the main verb in the past tense form. For regular verbs, this involves adding ed to the base form of the verb. For irregular verbs, the verb takes an irregular form. We use the past simple tense especially in the following examples. The past simple tense is used to describe actions without specifying a time, but we do have to be certain that the speaker is talking about an event that has already finished. Here are 2 sentences with examples. I finished my work and went to the beach. I came home after lunch. The second case in which we use the past simple tense in English involves describing completed actions. This event could happen only once, or it can happen repeatedly. The past simple also describes events that have already ended and did not translate into the future. We use this tense to talk about something that was true for some time in the past. Here are 2 sentences with examples. I saw this film in the cinema last week. I was sick on Tuesday. The past simple tense is also used to describe past habits. When referring to past habits, the use of the past simple has the same meaning as the expression used to. These types of sentences are often combined with expressions of time such as often, usually, always, or never. Here's an example. I usually played tennis when I was in London. The past simple tense also describes events that happened in the past and lasted for a certain period of time, such as living abroad or some other action that lasted for a long time. These actions are specified by using time periods such as the whole year, the whole week, or all day. Here are 2 sentences with examples. I lived in London for 3 years. I was in Alaska for the whole year. Thank you for watching this video, and we look forward to your visit to Learniv.com, where you will find many more free tutorials.